Welcome to Paris, the City of Lights. This enchanting city is known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the charming streets of Montmartre, Paris offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an art lover, there's something here for everyone. It's a really beautiful place, with picturesque views that will take your breath away. The Seine River winds its way through the heart of the city, offering stunning vistas and a sense of tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle. In the spring, the parks and gardens come alive with vibrant colors, making it the perfect time to visit. With a cool history and lots of fun things to do, Paris is a city that never ceases to amaze. From the grandeur of the Notre Dame Cathedral to the artistic treasures of the Louvre Museum, there's no shortage of historical landmarks to explore. The streets are lined with beautiful buildings that tell the story of Paris's rich past. Come with us as we explore the awesome streets and big boulevards, like the famous Champs-Élysées, where you can shop to your heart's content, or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll. The bustling cafes and shops offer a glimpse into the daily life of Parisians. And there's always something new to discover around every corner. And see what this amazing city is all about. From the breathtaking views atop Montmartre to the awe-inspiring architecture of the Notre Dame Cathedral, Paris is a city that captivates the imagination. Each neighborhood has its own unique charm and character, making it a joy to explore. We'll see famous places and some secret spots too. While the Louvre Museum is a must-visit for art enthusiasts, there are also hidden gems tucked away in the city's many alleyways. These lesser-known spots offer a more intimate look at Paris and are perfect for those who love to wander off the beaten path. Get ready to be amazed by the magic of Paris. As the sun sets and the Eiffel Tower begins to sparkle, the city takes on a whole new level of enchantment. The twilight skyline is a sight to behold, and the city's vibrant nightlife offers endless opportunities for fun and adventure. So join us on this journey and experience the wonder of Paris for yourself. Let's start with the most famous place in Paris, the Eiffel Tower. This iconic structure, designed by Gustave Eiffel, was constructed for the 1889 World's Fair. Standing at 1,083 feet, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world, until the completion of the Chrysler Building in New York in 1930. The Eiffel Tower is not just a marvel of engineering, but also a symbol of French culture and history. Every year, millions of visitors from around the globe come to admire its intricate iron lattice design and breathtaking views. It's made of metal and is super tall, over 1,000 feet. The tower is composed of 18,038 individual iron parts held together by 2.5 million rivets. It weighs approximately 10,100 tons. The Eiffel Tower has 3 levels accessible to the public. The first and second levels have restaurants and shops, while the third level, at 906 feet, offers an observation deck with a panoramic view of Paris. The tower is also illuminated by 20,000 light bulbs every evening, creating a dazzling display that can be seen from miles away. You can see the whole city from the top. The view from the summit is truly spectacular, offering a 360-degree panorama of Paris. On a clear day, you can see up to 42 miles in every direction. The city's most famous landmarks, such as the Arc de Triomphe, the Louvre, and Notre Dame Cathedral, are all visible from this vantage point. The experience of standing at the top of the Eiffel Tower, with the wind in your hair and the city sprawled out below, is one that visitors never forget. Next, we'll go to the Louvre Museum, which has lots of old and famous art. The Louvre is the world's largest art museum and a historic monument in Paris. Originally built as a fortress in the late 12th century, it was transformed into a royal palace before becoming a public museum in 1793. The museum's collection spans over 9,000 years of history and includes approximately 38,000 objects. The Louvre's iconic glass pyramid entrance, designed by architect I.M. Pei, was inaugurated in 1989 and has since become a symbol of the museum. We'll see the Mona Lisa and her famous smile. The Mona Lisa, painted by Leonardo da Vinci in the early 16th century, is arguably the most famous painting in the world. Housed in the Louvre since 1797, the painting is renowned for its enigmatic expression, which seems to change when viewed from different angles. The Mona Lisa is protected by bulletproof glass and is one of the museum's most visited exhibits. Visitors often spend hours in line just to catch a glimpse of her mysterious smile. And of course we have to see Notre Dame Cathedral. This medieval Catholic cathedral dedicated to the Virgin Mary is one of the finest examples of French Gothic architecture. Construction began in 1163 and was completed in 1345. The cathedral is famous for its flying buttresses, large rose windows, and the iconic twin towers that rise 226 feet above the ground. Notre Dame has been the site of many significant historical events, including the coronation of Napoleon Bonaparte as Emperor of France in 1804. It's a really beautiful building with a tall, pointy top and colorful windows. The cathedral's spire, which tragically collapsed during the 2019 fire, was a masterpiece of 19th century architecture. The stained glass windows, particularly the 3 rose windows, are among the most famous in the world. They depict biblical scenes and saints in vibrant colors that fill the interior with a kaleidoscope of light. The cathedral's facade is adorned with intricate sculptures and gargoyles, which serve both decorative and functional purposes. It shows how strong and amazing Paris is. Despite the devastating fire, the resilience and determination of the French people to restore Notre Dame to its former glory is a testament to the enduring spirit of Paris. The cathedral remains a symbol of the city's rich history, architectural brilliance, and cultural significance. As we conclude our tour of these magnificent landmarks, we are reminded of the beauty, strength, and grandeur that define Paris, a city that continues to inspire and captivate the world. Paris is a big city with over 2 million people. Everyone adds something special to the city. Imagine walking by the Seine River, listening to music and smelling fresh bread from a bakery. In the cafes, people are talking and drinking coffee. Paris is always busy and exciting. Before we go exploring, let's talk about money. In Paris, they use the euro. Right now, $1 is about 0.9 euros. This is good to know when you're shopping. Keep your money safe and watch out for pickpockets. They can be anywhere in big cities. Getting around Paris. Paris is mostly safe, but be careful. Stay in areas with lots of people and lights, especially at night. Keep your stuff close and don't show off lots of money. The subway is a good way to get around, but it gets crowded sometimes. Be smart, and you'll have a great time in Paris. Finding secret cool places. The Eiffel Tower and the Louvre are great, but Paris has other cool places too. Let's explore Montmartre, where lots of artists hang out. Then we'll go to Le Marais, which has cool shops and cafes. If you want some quiet time, the Jardin de Luxembourg is a nice park in the middle of the city. Paris in different seasons. Each season brings its own unique charm and character to the city, transforming it into a different kind of wonderland. Whether it's the vibrant colors of spring, the long, sunny days of summer, the golden hues of autumn, or the festive lights of winter, Paris never ceases to amaze. Paris is fun all year round. No matter when you visit, there's always something to do and see. In spring, the city comes alive with blooming flowers and outdoor cafes. Summer is perfect for leisurely strolls along the Seine River and enjoying the many festivals and events. Autumn brings a magical transformation as the leaves change colors, and winter, despite the cold, is filled with holiday cheer and beautiful decorations. Spring is colorful with lots of flowers. The parks and gardens of Paris are in full bloom, creating a picturesque setting for picnics and leisurely walks. The cherry blossoms near the Eiffel Tower are a sight to behold, and the city's many outdoor markets are bustling with fresh produce and vibrant flowers. It's a time of renewal and celebration, as Parisians and visitors alike enjoy the mild weather and beautiful scenery. Summer has long days, perfect for walking by the river. The warm weather and extended daylight hours make it an ideal time to explore the city's many attractions. From boat cruises on the Seine to outdoor concerts and festivals, there's no shortage of activities to enjoy. The city's parks and gardens are lush and green, providing a cool respite from the summer heat. And as the sun sets, the city comes alive with a vibrant nightlife, offering endless opportunities for fun and entertainment. In autumn, the leaves change colors. The city is transformed into a tapestry of red, orange, and gold, creating a stunning backdrop for sightseeing and photography. The crisp, cool air is perfect for exploring the city's many museums and galleries or simply enjoying a leisurely walk through the historic streets. Autumn is also a time for harvest festivals and food markets where you can sample seasonal delicacies and enjoy the flavors of the season. Winter is cold, but the city looks pretty with lights, and it smells like roasted chestnuts. The holiday season brings a magical atmosphere to Paris, with twinkling lights, festive decorations and bustling Christmas markets. The city's famous landmarks, such as the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame Cathedral, are beautifully illuminated, creating a fairy tale setting. Despite the chill in the air, the warmth of the holiday spirit is palpable, as Parisians and visitors alike come together to celebrate and enjoy the season. The best times to visit are spring or fall, because the weather is nice, and there aren't as many people. These seasons offer a perfect balance of pleasant weather and fewer crowds, allowing you to fully enjoy the city's many attractions and experiences. Whether you're strolling through the gardens of Versailles, exploring the charming neighborhoods of Montmartre, or simply enjoying a coffee at a sidewalk cafe, Paris in spring and fall is truly enchanting. So pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of Paris in any season. Saying goodbye, it's time to say goodbye to Paris. It was an amazing trip. We saw famous places and some hidden gems. We hope you want to visit Paris now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos.